Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Life, the only platform to learn new skills. Today we will be covering about Google Bard API. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and let's get started.
Google Bard, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers for adversarial retrosynthesis, is an innovative research project developed by Google's AI team. Bard combines the power of transformer-based language models with adversarial training to revolutionize the field of computer-assisted synthesis planning.
Understanding CASP and its challenges. Computer-assisted synthesis planning, CASP, aims to aid chemists in designing efficient and viable routes for organic synthesis. Traditional CASP methods relied heavily on expert knowledge. By leveraging the vast amounts of available chemical data, Bard can propose potential reaction steps, intermediate compounds, and conditions for synthesis. Adversarial training for enhanced performance. To refine and optimize the generated synthetic pathways, Google Bard employs an adversarial training framework. This adversarial training mechanism helps Bard to learn from both positive and negative examples and progressively enhance its performance.
Google Bard or Chatgpt, which one to choose? Let's see. Google Bard. Bard focuses on computer-assisted synthesis planning, CASP, for organic chemistry. Chatgpt. Chatgpt is a conversational AI model designed for human-like text generation. Google Bard. Bard is built upon transformer-based language models, leveraging deep learning techniques to analyze and generate chemical reactions. Chatgpt. Chatgpt is also based on transformer-based language models. It utilizes large-scale training data to understand and generate text based on context and input. Hence, both are useful and can help you.
Thanks for your watching, and don't forget to follow our Spotify and Kukum podcast. Link in description. Thanks for subscribing and watching. We will coming soon with a new YouTube podcast.